Okay, in this problem, they've asked us to find the angle between the line segment EC and the base, this ABC, and then it goes to the origin ABCO. So I've attempted to draw it. My apologies if it's not perfect. We'll do the best we can. So what they want to know is this. Okay, so here's E and here's C. So if this is coming... oh, did they tell us what D was? They told us, I didn't write that down, I'm sorry. They told us that D was 0, 0, 3. This is a point 0, 0, 3. So that means, and this is this nice little rectangular prism right here. So what we can find, what we know is that we're looking for the angle formed from E to C, and then, so angle ECA is the angle that we're looking for. So we're trying to find this little angle right in here. Well, what we know is we know that the point E, we've gone 5 units in the x direction, and then we went no distance in the y, like we didn't travel on that, and then we went up. So this is the point 5, 0, 3. And this is the point 0, 4, 0. So what I see here is I see this triangle. And I know that this side is perpendicular to the base, so that's how I know to put a right angle there. This is E, this is A, this is C. If I label those, things get a lot easier. And this just went up. It has a height of 3. This is just 3 units right here. And then I know I can find the distance from here to here, or even the distance from here to here. Either way I want to do that. Let's see, what's easier? I don't know. What did the book do? The book found AC. So they found AC. All right. Well, so I know that the distance there is going to be, the distance is going to be equal to the square root of this minus that, so 5 squared, and then 0 minus 4, negative 4, but square it, and it doesn't matter if it's negative or not, and then 0 minus 0. So here's what we're looking at. So this is equal to 25 plus 16 is square root of 41. Now, I could also have done this up here, and let's just for grins, that would be the square root of 5 minus 0. This is 5 squared. I have 0 minus 4, so then plus 4 squared. And then I have, this becomes plus 3 squared, which is equal to, this is 25 plus another 25 is equal to root 50. And if you look at this, here's Pythagorean theorem in action. 3 squared is 9. Plus root 41 squared is 41. 9 plus 41 is 50, and there's root 50 is the other side. Okay, so they had given us this, but you could also use that one. It doesn't matter in the slightest. They weren't so hard to find. But now I'm trying to find this angle inside, so let's call that theta. And based on this particular triangle, I know that tangent of theta is equal to 3 over root 41. And so at this point, I need to find a calculator. Okay, these are likely to need to be in degrees. So notice I'm still in radians from whatever else I was doing before. What am I doing? Menu. Okay. So I go second menu, setup, and I come down here to radians, change that to degrees. And so now I'm doing inverse tangent of, I just forgot. I can make that 3 over root 41. And so it's approximately, IB likes 3 sig figs, it's approximately 25.1 degrees. Now, if they'd asked me to do it in radians, which they could, I would just go back into setup, change this back to radians. I wouldn't convert between the two. I just hit this button again, and now this is 0.438 radians. So there's that. Practice these. They definitely take a little getting used to and trying to draw it and to see where these different things go. But it shouldn't be, well, let's just say this. We're going to do more difficult things this year than that. But enjoy, practice, good luck.